Hi and welcome. I am here today with Oppo Find X2 Pro and I'll be showing you how to customize your notifications bar. So first off, we have to open the Google Play Store app. From there, we have to search for an application called OneShade, Custom Notifications and Quick Settings. Install it, wait for it to download and install, then simply open. Welcome to OneShade. We have to give accessibility and notifications permission. Accessibility, OneShade, allow OneShade to have full control of your device. OK. Notifications, OneShade, allow notifications access. Allow notification access for OneShade, allow. Yes, I agree. Don't show again. And now, if we open up the notification bar, nothing really changed. Now let's try changing the background color, for example. Tap on background color and let's choose dark green, for example. Tap on apply. Now let's try opening up the notifications bar, and as you can see, the background color has changed to the one we have set before. Let's try change the text color to pinkish. It's just for presentation, if you mind. Yep, and it doesn't look the best, but it's for presentation purposes. As you can see, the text also has changed to the color we have set. And weirdly, the icons also have changed. I guess icons are treated as text in this application. It doesn't matter. Let's try changing the notifications background color to red. Apply. And oh my god. As you can see, the color of notifications, the background color of them has also changed to red. We have pink text and green background. And there are many other things you can do with this application, but I'm going to leave them all to you. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.